instance, what are your achievements till date, according to you? Till date, aaj tak, what do you feel like your these are your achievements?
I have achieved my education because after marriage, I have done many courses like phonics, handwriting course, teacher training, mathematics, and I have done NTT after marriage.
Okay, great.
Which I couldn't before marriage because I wanted to study more. But
Okay, great.
there were some issues in my family, so I couldn't do.
Okay, fine. Excellent,
But
excellent.
my husband never say no for education. He said,
Great.
whatever do you want to in education, you can do.
Right, fine. That is really very appreciable. Okay, switching to Namita ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Namita ji, tell me something about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Namita Bansal. I have a daughter. My daughter is doing MD medicine from government medical college, and
Nice.
I am at present I am a homemaker, and when I would live in Indore after my marriage. Uh, that time I was only graduate, and after marriage I completed master degree and B.Ed, M.Ed as a regular student from university, and I cleared NET, National Eligibility Test for lecturership, and I worked as an assistant professor for more than 7 years in Christian Eminent College and Vaishnav Vidyapeeth. And after my husband has been transferred to Badwa and Mahidpur, after that Mahidpur, so I have to leave my job, and
Great, great. Okay, what about your strengths and weaknesses? What you can tell about that?
yeah, my weakness. I'm an impulsive person, and I get irritated so soon. I work
Okay.
on it, and I do meditation
Most
and
of
all
us,
that.
most of the homemakers have the same problem. No problem. That is not an issue.
And I do meditation and work on work to overcome from this. And my strength is I am very determined and focused person. When I decide to do something, I will get definitely. I work hard on it, and I think only for my goal, and I achieve within period. I always decide some time period for to achieve that goal.
Okay, great,
I think
excellent. And could you please tell me something related to your hobbies?
okay. I love music, and I like singing, and I can play harmonium also. I
Oh, wow.
Actually I learned music 2 or 3, and I like cooking also.
Great, excellent. Okay, coming to your like everyone's small or minor mistakes, let us discuss that. What do you think, Namita ji, Geetu ji and Neetu ji have done any kind of mistake? in
Yes,
their
ma'am.
speaking?
I wrote
Yes, ma'am.
some. मतलब
Mention.
Neetu, I think, matlab, Neetu is grammatically correct according to me. Only two sentences. That time I realized she made mistake. That first when she talked about her weakness, she told that I can believe on
Yes.
everyone. No,
Yes, I
है
have
ना?
also written that.
I believe on everyone. है ना? And
Yes.
when she mm, more एक sentence और she told I wanted to do study है ना मतलब मैं इसमें थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूज हूँ मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा होना चाहिए I would want to do study.
Okay. Neetu ji, switch to you.
Yes, ma'am.
You're talking about Geetu ji or Neetu ji hai?
Ma'am, she
Neetu.
talking Neetu.
Okay.
Neetu.
Geetu ji, could you please tell me what was the sentence here that Namita ji is talking about?
First one is I can believe.
No. The sentence she's talking about you. Like I wanted to.
No,
Who has spoken this sentence?
my
It is.
Me.
ma'am,
She
ma'am,
she's
she
talking
मैंने
about
नीतू के
me.
बारे में
about
बोला
Neetu.
हाँ,
मैंने
Neetu
She's
ji, could you
talking
please?
about me.
Neetu ji,
Yes.
could you please make me remind that word? Make me remind that sentence because it is blur in my
Yes,
mind.
ma'am.
I'm
Yes,
not
ma'am.
able to
There's a
recall.
problem. I said I can believe to everyone.
I can believe that. I understand. That was instead of this, you could have spoken. I trust everybody easily.
Yeah.
I trust everybody
I
easily.
trust.
So, yes. So that is also one of the sentences you can use. And other sentence which Namita is talking about is I wanted to something. What was the sentence?
Yes, I wanted to study.
Okay. You said I wanted to
I said
study.
I used to do study more. She said I wanted to do study more. That is why I didn't
Okay.
take.
Yes. Right, Namita ji. Okay. Switching to Neetu ji. Neetu ji, could you please tell me any mistakes done by Geetu ji and Namita ji?
I saw. I observe only two growing in Gitu's sentence. She said that my children are elder, but I think there's a one word is my children are growing.
Yes, right. And instead of
Maybe.
children, she could have said my children. Children itself is plural. So we are not going to put S in that. Okay, Geetu ji, understanding my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
Ma'am,
great.
I rectified some.
And
I
one
picked some.
Ma'am, I also realized that.
Realize while speaking, yes. That is the best thing, While speaking, if you realize that you have done some mistake, it means you're on the right track. If you're
I thought
realizing yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I thought I will ask you and last.
Yes, that is best
One word
thing that
may-
you have actually
one-
realized it
one-
yourself.
Yes, ma'am. One word is more is there. She said, "Now I will do my dream like that." But according to me, I will fulfill my dream.
Yes. Okay, great. Two more mistakes that I have also observed were, Geetuji, you have said, I take one step. No, you're talking about the past tense. So you will mention, I took one step.
Took one step.
Right?
Yes.
One more thing, your word was right. I'm not pointing out you, Geetuji, that you have spoken wrong word. But yes, instead of that, better when you're telling somebody, you could have spoken, at last you use the sentence, I'm very happy with that. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Instead of that, for your improvement, so that you do not use this word, and it's better to use something better in front of the other people because you're taking spoken classes. So let people know that you are improving there. So instead of that, use satisfied or contented. Now I'm really satisfied or contented. These are the synonyms. Satisfied all know, right? Contented is one of the synonyms of it that I've written on chat. Clear?
Ma'am, I also picked some mistakes in Gitu. Gitu's
There were some more.
yeah. First, madam, I watched a video and that video they told that myself is not. We don't say myself. Every time we should tell my name is or I am dash and dash.
I'll come to that because after Namita ji's few mistakes, I was about to come at the same point. So Namita ji, let me just
Okay.
mark your mistakes. There were only two which I have observed as an assistant professor, not as a assistant professor. So an will be used as an article.
Okay.
And there was a pronunciation
Okay.
mistake in which that is leave. You have used a sentence in which you have used live. So that was the only pronunciation that I couldn't make out the difference between live or leave. Okay? So make sure while speaking
Yes.
leave and live, there should be a difference between both. Okay.
Yes.
One more
yes,
thing.
leave.
We are going to end this class by mentioning that when we are talking about myself, or not exactly myself, when somebody asks you that tell me something about yourself, so please just tell about your name, your qualifications, and not even where do you put up, not even that. Just tell about your qualifications, your experience, and that what is your name and what do you do. That's all. Presently, what you're doing. That's all. More than these four questions, it goes really very, really stretchable. First, second thing, look, this is not an interview, of course, but I
Yes,
really don't know
ma'am.
that. Yes, please.
I want to say something. When you ask two questions in interview, please give me yourself. Tell me about yourself in brief. Brief means कुछ शब्दों में, मतलब थोड़े ही शब्दों में आपका पूरा इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाए.
Yes, but why I didn't want to stop Ketuji, because she was in flow, and this was the first time I could hear her speaking like this. So I wanted to hear her more and more. So this is the best part. Just speak as much as you can. These are the spoken classes, you can speak. But when it comes to an interview, when it comes to the formal thing, yes, you have to be really very formal. Got my point? Geetuji, you were really very good. I really liked the way you were expressing, because expression is something you have used for the first time, and I really liked it. But what you have to do now, listen very carefully. As a homework I'm giving you, tomorrow first I will give my introduction.
Yes,
You'll see my confidence. You will see that how to speak it up. You'll see what kind of sentences I'm using, and then you are going to speak about yourself. But today, just prepare yourself. Apne aap prepare karo. I have asked questions, hobbies were there, strengths or weaknesses there, what you have done in your past life, what you're going to do in future, what presently you are doing. So these are the questions that run in a mind of a interview, jo aapka interview le raha hai, right? So I really want you to please prepare something really good and confidently for tomorrow. You're giving it confidently, fluently, in a flow. So I'll be waiting for tomorrow that you people are all aware, you people are prepared. So tomorrow I'll be giving my introduction, and then you are going to give your introduction. Clear? And
Okay.
of course, nothing else is there as a homework. And it was really a very nice class. Thank you so much for the cooperation. Bye. Take care. Enjoy your day as a homemaker.
Ma'am, I enjoy also. Ma'am,
Oh, great.
Ma'am,
Thank you so much. That
one
is
word you told us you will search the two words every day. So
yeah.
I have searched one word. Rigme. Rigme
Recommend.
means rigme. RIGME.
Okay.
Rigme means
Tell the meaning
order.
to
So
everyone.
yes, when we
Please
use
spell again, Neetu.
RIGME.
RIGN.
RIGME. Rigme.
Okay.
The meaning of this word is order.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
Got it.
I want to ask to you when we can use this word in sentence.
You can use the sentence when you're putting something in order. So instead of that order particular word, you can use it anywhere. So I'll frame a
Okay.
sentence and I'll send it on the, acha, okay, one more thing. Now we have a group here. So we are going to share few important things there also, which you can use for each other. And if I feel like it is an important, something, a piece of writing is important for you, you can read it at home as well. Okay, so that group is really very important. So please be updated on that. Abhi, it's not important when you're actually working. You have to look into your phone. Of course, we as a homemaker never do that. So it's okay whenever you're free. So be a little updated on that. So I'll be sharing few important tricks to learn English, to speak English. Okay, enough for today. Bye. Take care.
Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Take care. Thank
Bye,
you.
everyone. You're welcome.